I'd just like to remind you all that you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and you can find the links in the video description. Now today we're going to look at version and how versioning works in Chocolatey. So first of all, rather than create a package from scratch, I'm going to save myself a little bit of time, and I'm going to go ahead and download a package that already exists and modify it. And then we can see how the versioning works, rather than creating a package from scratch, which might take a little while. So here I'm downloading the Putty Portable package, and all we've got to do to extract that is simply rename the file, the dot extension, to .zip, and then we're going to extract it as you would normally consider, and then we're going to need to delete a couple of items that are put there during the packaging. So we're going to get rid of a folder called packages. We're also going to get rid of the underscore RELS, and finally the context types.xml file. So that should leave us with just the licensing folder, the tools folder, and the basic XML file that was used for versioning. So with that, we're going to go ahead and just go look inside and confirm that this is the regular Chocolatey install for this package. And then you can see that we have the embedded software in terms of the files in the package there as well. But all of that we're going to ignore for a moment and just focus around the versioning file. So this is the XML content file that basically tells us what is inside the package. So there are a couple of fields that determine the package. One of them is the version, and the other one is the ID. So we're going to play with the version first of all and basically flip the version from the current one upwards. So here we've got the current build, which is 71. So we're going to go and change the build number to 72 and 73. And each time we do the change, we're going to build the package so we can see that we've got all of them. Because at the end of it, what we're going to want to do is try to upload each package in turn so that we can get a build number. So we've now done the third run effectively. So we've done 3 Choco builds, or in this case Choco packs. We're going to upload that to our Chocolatey repository. Now I happen to have one on the same machine, so I'm just going to do the Choco push, name of the package. In this case we'll pick the first one, do them sequentially. The source, which in this case happens to be my HTTP local machine / Chocolatey. You have the option to use username or API key. I'm going to use the API key, and in my case I happen to have an API key already put as a environment variable, so I don't need to remember that very long key that I'm using. And then last but not least, because I don't have an SSL set up, I'm going to use the force, otherwise I will get a warning telling me that it's not a secure connection. And I'm going to do this again, just like the Choco pack. I'm going to do this 3 times. So each time uploading a later version of the same file. So now that we've done the push of the 3 files, we're going to be able to go and see what package we actually have on our Chocolatey repository. So I'm just going to do a Choco list, and then I'm going to specify our local Chocolatey repository. So in this case, the local server that I'm pushing to, and see how many packages I have there. And if we see, the response is just the one package, and that one package shows the version being .73, which was the 3rd package we created. So despite the other 2 were uploaded, they were overwritten because the package had the same name. So now we're going to try something a bit different. We're going to change the package ID. So in this case we have the putty.portable, and we're going to change it to putty.portable2, basically giving it a new name. We're then going to run our Choco pack, which should then create a new file, again with a new name, because that's basically defining our build information. And then last but not least, we're going to go ahead and then upload that to our Chocolatey repository, and we'll see how it looks after the upload. So here you can see I'm just going to find the correct file. It's called 2 instead of the original one without a number. We're attempting the upload, and we're done. So now we're just going to do a quick Choco list again, And as you can see, we have two packages, and the reason for that is because they have different names. Version number does not equal a package being unique. Now, hopefully you found that useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If not, you know what to do, and as always, subscribe for more content.